Doc Ock is dying. According to the doctors, he hasn't shown any brain activity in weeks. He only has a few hours left. But before his death, he made a cruel plan. He entered his consciousness into Peter's mind. Now he has the access of Peter Parker's body, his identity, his memories, his spider powers, and Peter is stuck in dying Otto's body, and his condition is not looking good. The doctors struggle to save Peter in Otto's body. They thought Otto may not survive. Even the medical teams don't want to revive Otto because of his cruelty. But one of them says they have taken oath to save everyone, no matter who they are, and after struggling a lot, they manage to save Peter. But before leaving, that lady doctor spits on him, and poor Peter has no idea how to free himself. He's trapped in a dying body of his worst enemy in an iron lung, in a cell which is underwater, fully guarded, and he is surrounded by super villains. He is practically helpless. Peter fears he is going to die in a few hours, and then Peter thinks what Otto can do with his identity. Every crime he commits in his name. Peter worked so hard to earn everyone's trust, to be a hero, to be an Avenger. But now Otto knows all the Avengers' security codes, and the worst part is they had never suspect Otto. He could easily kill them all. Even as Peter Parker, he can ruin everyone's life that Peter cared the most. So to save his friends, Peter then deep dives to Otto's memories. He sees Otto's abused childhood, how his father always mistreated him, his painful transformation into Dr. Octopus, and all those beatings that Spider-Man inflicted into Otto's life. But then Peter sees his beloved Aunt May in a wedding suit. This was the memory when Otto and May married each other, and May is telling a secret that she did with Otto before the wedding, and it traumatized Peter. Time is running out, and Peter quickly needs to find a way to free himself and defeat Otto.